Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Today I am going to explaining class 10th progression chapter 6 exercise 6.3. In previous videos I am explained example 16 up to example 16. Okay, today I am going to explaining exercise 6.3 first Roman. Okay, find the sum of the following APs. First one 2, 7, 12 and so on 10 terms. So they are asking that sum of the following AP. Okay, sum of n terms in the AP, what the formula here? Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of n terms in AP. So or another formula is n by 2 of a plus l. It is another formula for sum of n terms. When they given the first term and last term, you can use this formula. Okay, so now they are asking that find the sum of the following APs. First one 2, 7, 12 and so on 10 terms. So they given the n, how much? 10. So here we need find first term and common difference, then we can find the sum of 10 terms. So here first term is 2. Here common difference a2 minus a1, 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. So n is equal to how much? 10 terms. So sum of n terms, here how many terms they are asking? The 10 terms. Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S10 is equal 10 by 2 of 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1, d is how much? 5. So 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, that is 5 of 2 2 ja 4. So 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. So here 5 into 4 plus 9 5 ja 45. So 45 plus 4, that is 49. So here 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 24. So the sum of 10 terms of in this given AP is how much? 245. Next, first one and second one minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on 12 terms. So here n value is how much they given that? 12. So next first term is minus 37, common difference is a2 minus a1. So that is here minus 33 minus 37. So minus 33 plus 37, that is how much? 4. So they are asking that sum of 12 terms. So you can use the formula Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here that is S12 is equal 12 by 2 of 2 into a is how much? Minus 37 plus here 12 minus 1 into d is how much? 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 6 ja. So 6 of plus into minus 37 2 ja 74. Here 12 minus 1 11 into 4. So that is 6 of minus 74 plus 11 4 ja 44. So that is here 6 of minus 74 plus 44, how much? Minus 30. So plus into minus of means multiple, 630 ja 180. So the sum of 12 terms of the given AP is minus 180. Next third one 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on 100 terms. So here the given the n is how much? 100. So they are asking that sum of 100 terms. So here first term is 0.6, common difference is a2 minus a1. So 1.7 minus 0.6, how much? 1.1. So here which formula you can use? Find the 100 terms by using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is here Sn is equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 100 S100 is equal 100 by 2 of 2 into a is how much? 0.6 plus n is how much? 100 minus 1, d is 1.1. So 2 1 ja 2, 50 ja So that is your 50 of, so 2 into 0.6, that is 1.2. 100 minus 1, 99 into 1.1. Here 99 into 1.9, so 99, 99. So that is your 9, 18, 10. So how many decimals are there? One decimal. So that is your 50 of 1.2 plus 108.9. Here 108.9 plus 1.2, that is how much? Here 11, 10. So here 110.1. So 50 into 110.1. So here the 50, 110.1 into 50, we can multiply 0, 0, 0. So here 5055. So 05055. So how many decimals are there? One decimal. So here how much? 5505.0. So the sum of 100 terms is how much? 5505.0. Next, fourth one. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, and so on, 11 terms. So here n is 11. So first term is a1 is equal 1 by 15. So common difference is a2 minus a1. So that is a 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So these two are the fractions. We can do that cross multiplication. So 115 ja 15, 112 ja 12, 12 15 ja 180. So 15 minus 12, 3 by 180. So 3 1 ja 3, 60 ja. That is the common difference is how much? 1 by 16, 60. So what is asking that sum of 11 terms. So here which formula you can use? Sn is equal n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S11 is equal 11 by 2 of 2a, 2 into a is how much? 1 by 15 plus here 11 minus 1 into common difference is how much? 1 by 16. So here 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15, 2 by 15 plus 10, 11 minus 1, 10, 10 into 1 by 60. So 10 1 ja, 10 6 ja. So here 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. So here these two are fractions. We can do that cross multiplication or taking LCM of the denominators. So here 11 by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 1 15 ja 15, 15 6 ja 90. So here 11 by 2 into 12 plus 15, 27 by 90. So 9 10 ja, 9 3 ja. So 11 3 ja 33, 2 10 ja 20. So the sum of 11 terms of the given AP is 33 by 20. Next, second Roman. Find the sums given below. In the second Roman, first one, 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 and so on plus 84. So this is the last term. 84 is the last term. So here first term is 7, last term is 84. So here which formula you can use? The sum of this AP is, we can use the formula easily, n by 2 of a plus l. So here before, okay, here given a1, first term is a is equal 7, last term is how much? 84. Okay, but we don't know that n. How we can find n? By using the last term. So here that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Before you can find the last term, first find the common difference. Here common difference is what? A2 minus A1. So here 10 1 by 2 minus 7. 10 1 by 2 is which fraction? Mixed fraction. The mixed fraction is changing into improper fraction. So that is here 10 1 by 2 minus 7. So here you can write as 21 by 2 minus 7. 2 10 ja 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. So 7 you can write as 7 by 1. Now we can do that cross multiplication. 21 1 ja 21, 7 2 ja 14 by 2. So 21 minus 14, that is how much? 7 by 2. T is equal to how much? 7 by 2. So here next n value. How we can find the n value? By using the last term. So here last term, how much they given that? 84. So that is here a plus n minus 1 into d is equal 84. So a is how much? 7 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 7 by 2. So is equal 84 plus 7 is going to right side what happen? Minus. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal 84 minus 7, that is 84 minus 7, 77. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal 77. Here the 7 by 2 here multiple. It is multiple is going to start at and divide. So n minus 1 is equal to 77 by 7 by 2. So the denominator having fraction is become reciprocal. So that is here 77 into 2 by 7, 7 1 ja, 7 11 ja. So n minus 1 is equal to 22, 11 2 ja 22. So n is equal to 22 plus 1. So n is equal to how much? 23. So the number of terms is how much? 23. But they asking that sum of the given AP. So how we can find? By using the sum of n terms. So here what the formula? N by 2 of a plus l. So here Sn is equal n by 2 of a plus l. So that is here S 23 is equal, n is 23 by 2 of a is 7, l is 84. So that is here 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7, that is how much? 91. So here 23 into 91, that is 3 2, now 27 20. Okay, so 3920, that is here 2093 by 2. So here 2 we can do that mixed fraction, that is 1 0 4 6 1 by 2. The sum of 23 terms is how much? 1046 1 by 2. Next, second one, find the sums given below. So here 34, 32, 33 and so on. The last term is 10. So here the first term is 34, last term is 10. How many terms are there? How we can find? By using the nth term. So our last term. So here last term is how much? 10. So here before we can find the last n terms, first find the common difference. So here the common difference is a2 minus a1. So 32 minus 34, that is how much? Minus 2. So last term is 10. So here a plus n minus 1 into d is equal 10. A is how much? 34 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? Minus 2 is equal 10. So plus 34 is going to spread up and minus. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal 10 minus 34. So 10 minus 34 how much? Minus 24. So here n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal minus 24. So here minus 2 multiple, it is going to spread up and divide. So n minus 1 is equal minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. So n minus 1 is equal 12. So minus 1 is going to spread up and plus. So n is equal 12 plus 1. So n is equal how much? 13. How many terms are there? 13 terms are there. So now find that sum of this given AP. So here what the formula? Sn is equal n by 2 of a plus l, or we can use the formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So why we can use here this formula? Because here the first term is there and last term is there. So here that is n is how much? 13 by 2, a is how much? 34, l is how much? 10. So that is 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, 44. So 4 1 ja, 4 22 ja. So 33 into 22, that is 26, 26. So 6 8 2. So here the sum of 13 terms is how much? 286. So the sum of the given APs is how much? 286. Next, third one, minus 5 plus minus 8 minus 11 and so on minus 230. So here the first term is how much? Minus 5. Next common difference is a2 minus a1. So here minus 8 minus a1 is minus 5. So minus 8, minus minus plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5, how much? Minus 3. T is equal minus 3. So the last term, how much? They given minus 230. So here in this AP, how many terms? We don't know that. How we can find? By using the last term or nth term. So here what is the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 230. So A is how much? Minus 5 plus n minus 1. D is how much? Minus 3 is equal to minus 230. So minus 5 is going to happen plus. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. So minus 230 plus 5, how much? Minus 225. So here n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 225. So here n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 5 ja. So n minus 1 is equal to 75. So n is equal to 75 plus 1. So n is equal to how much? 76. So they asking that sum of the given AP. So that is here Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L. So here n is how much? 76 by 2. A is how much? Minus 5. L is minus 230. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2, 38 ja. So that is S76. S76 is equal to 38 minus 5 plus minus 230, that is minus 235. So plus into minus, minus. So here 235 into 38. So here 40, 28, 18. Next 15, 10, 7. So 0, 13, 9, 8. So that is here how much? 8, 9, 3, 0. So the sum of 76 terms is minus 8, 9, 3, 0. Thank you for watching my videos.